Pseudomonas aeruginosa has a role in hospital-associated infection. It comes in the escape organisms. So in escape organism, this P stands for Pseudomonas aeruginosa. It is a major pathogenic species causing infection among hospitalized patients and in patients with cystic fibrosis. Pseudomonas aeruginosa हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड पेशेंट्स में इन्फेक्शन का मेजर कॉज है और इसके साथ साथ सिस्टिक फाइब्रोसिस के पेशेंट्स में भी इन्फेक्शन करवाता है. द एस्केप पैथोजेंस, they are responsible for a substantial percentage of nosocomial infection in the modern era and represent the vast majority of multi-drug resistant isolate present in the hospital. So the escape pathogens, they are responsible for a substantial range of nosocomial infection. Nosocomial means hospital acquired infections, and they represent vast majority of multi-drug resistant isolate present in the hospital. Escape stands for E for Enterococcus faecium, S for Staphylococcus aureus, K for Klebsiella pneumoniae, A for Acinetobacter baumannii, P for Pseudomonas aeruginosa, E for Enterobacter species. A for Enterococcus faecium, S for Staphylococcus aureus, K for Klebsiella pneumoniae, A for Acinetobacter baumannii, P for Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and E for Enterobacter. Pathogenesis of Pseudomonas aeruginosa. The pathogenesis is greatly attributed to its ability to develop widespread resistance to multiple antibiotics and disinfectant. The Pseudomonas aeruginosa has the ability to develop widespread resistance to multiple antibiotics and disinfectant, and this will produce a number of virulence factor. Pseudomonas aeruginosa has the ability to develop widespread resistance to multiple antibiotics and disinfectant, and it will produce number of virulence factor. Clinical manifestation include various health care associated infection such as ventilator associated pneumonia, surgical site infection, nosocomial bacteremia, and burn wound infection. It can cause various HAIs like surgical site infection, ventilator associated pneumonia, nosocomial bacteremia, and bone wound infection. So it can cause ventilator associated pneumonia, surgical site infection, nosocomial bacteremia, and bone wound infection. Laboratory diagnosis: Pseudomonas aeruginosa is oxidase positive. It is oxidase positive and it is pigment producing. It produces blue-green diffusible pigment. It produces blue-green diffusible pigment and it is non-fermenting gram-negative bacillus. Non-fermenting gram-negative bacillus. Treatment of Pseudomonas aeruginosa: antimicrobial agents with good anti-pseudomonal action such as ceftazidime, piperacillin, and carbapenems are the preferred therapeutic options. So Pseudomonas aeruginosa escape का जो P होता है उसमें it stands for Pseudomonas aeruginosa, और ये हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड पेशेंट्स और सिस्टिक फाइब्रोसिस के पेशेंट्स पे इन्फेक्शन करवाता है. पैथोजेनेसिस का मेन कॉज यही है कि ये वाइड स्प्रेड रेसिस्टेंस कॉज करवाता है टू मल्टीपल एंटीबायोटिक्स एंड डिसइंफेक्टेंट, और ये बहुत सारा वायरुलेंस फैक्टर प्रोड्यूस करता है. इसका क्लिनिकल मैनिफेस्टेशन में वेंटिलेटर एसोसिएटेड निमोनिया, सर्जिकल साइट इन्फेक्शन, नोजोकोमल बैक्टीरिया और बॉर्न वुंड इन्फेक्शन आता है. The clinical manifestation are ventilator associated pneumonia, surgical site infection, nosocomial bacteremia and burn wound infection. Laboratory diagnosis में it is oxidase positive. Pigment इसका होता है diffusible blue green pigment and it is non-fermenting gram negative bacillus. Pseudomonas aeruginosa is non-fermenting gram negative bacillus. और ट्रीटमेंट में ऐसे एंटीमाइक्रोबियल ड्रग्स यूज़ करना है विच हैव गुड एंटी स्यूडोमोनल एक्शन सच एज सेफ्टाजिडीन, पिपेरिसिलिन एंड कार्बापेनिम्स. ठीक है, सेफ्टाजिडीन, पिपेरिसिलिन एंड कार्बापेनिम्स. सो CPC इज द therapeutic option for Pseudomonas aeruginosa. C stands for carbapenims, this C stands for ceftazidime and P stands for piperacillin.